A, B, C, D, E, F, G, apple, ball, B, A, L, L. Hello guys, welcome back to another lockdown video. I am London and today I want to talk to you about spelling bee. What is it? What I was singing. So, the vocabulary song is something that we learn since we are very little kids. Why? For different purposes in the English learning process. One of them is to learn how to spell different kind of words. So, Spelling Bee is a famous competition around the world where students and participants try to spell different words with different levels of difficulty in the best way. So, today we have an amazing invitation for you to try to compete with your partners and with other schools.
Hello guys, I'm Milan and I'm going to talk to you about the phases in this contest. Okay, so let's start. There are 3, so you have to be ready for each of them. In the phase number 1, it consists of making a dictation in which you must write your answers in a Google form. Yes? In this phase, we are going to have our first winners and then they will be participating in the phase number 2. The number 2 consists of an internal spelling contest where we will have our winners. For the last phase, the intercollegiate. In the phase number 3, the winners, 1 student per grade, will participate in the intercollegiate spelling bee. Remember that this will be online and this contest will be on October 21st. So you have to be ready and let's go. Listen the rules.
Hey guys, I'm Cardiff and today I'm going to talk about the spelling bee rules. Rule number 1. So rule number 1 is in the final stage, all participants should wear their school uniform. Rule number 2. All participants should pronounce the word slowly and facing towards the camera so that the judges can see your face. Rule number 3. Participants, once they pronounce the word is going to be projected on the screen so that you guys can confirm their writing. Rule number 4, it will be based on fail and out. That means that if you fail pronouncing the word or spelling the word, you are eliminated. Rule number 5, it is going to be that all participants are going to have limited time on the microphone. You should have your microphone muted all the time and then you will be able to use it once it's your turn. Rule number 6. If you are asked to pronounce or spell a compound word, you should separate the words by mentioning space or hyphen. Rule number 7, and one of the most important ones, is that parents, they cannot help you out. Otherwise, if they help you out, you're going to be disqualified from the competition. Okay guys, make sure to follow all the guidelines and rules that we show you in this video. If you actually find this video very useful for you, don't forget to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel and make sure you follow us since we're uploading videos every 15 days. Bye bye!